Hello, I'm Kyle Bratch, I'm from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to give you an unboxing of this Ken Roczen CRF450R. Now this is going to be his Team Honda HRC factory racing machine. Now as I dig in and open this box and pull out his factory machine, let's take a look at some of the accomplishments that he's had throughout his racing career. In 1984, Ken Roczen was born and raised in a small German town. Ken currently resides in Claremont, Florida. He's 5 foot 11 inches tall, weighs 160 pounds, and his racing number is number 94. He's known for his outgoing, fun-loving personality, as well as his drive and commitment to being a successful racer. He's widely regarded as one of the fastest racers in the world, and his popularity extends well beyond the realm of the traditional motorsports world and into the mainstream due to his huge part in social media. He rides for Team Honda HRC, and he currently is on a CRF450R. Now as far as his statistics go, he won the Junior World Championship on an 85cc bike back in 2007. In 2011, he was the MX2 World Champion. In 2012, he was a member of the Motocross the Nations winning team for Team Germany. In 2013, he got his first Supercross championship on a 250 SX West. He then became, in 2014, the Supercross Rookie of the Year. Also in 2014, he won the 450 MX Championship in motocross. In 2015, he was the Monster Energy Cup winner. And in 2016, he was the AMA 450 MX champion. What we're looking at is a 1/12 model scale of Ken Roczen's CRF 450R. This is a die-cast metal model with plastic parts. Now that we have Ken out of the box, let's take a look at some of the finer details. One of the details that I really like that New Ray Toys does is they give you a backdrop. So if you don't want to ever unbox it, you still have Ken and his bike and a backdrop of one of the races that he raced at. I really think that's a cool touch. Now if you want it out of the box, out of the plastic, kind of sitting as a trophy piece, you can keep Ken inside the box and then just slide the box up and you kind of get this 3D effect between Ken, his bike, and the background. All right, let's go ahead and set that aside real quick. Ken, would you mind standing over here to the side as I go through your bike? Oh, thank you, sir. All right, another neat feature that they have or detail is they give you this mechanic mat that you would normally see at any of the Supercross or motocross events when his bike's being worked on. Now, speaking of being worked on, down here at the bottom of the bike is the stand, which can be easily removed. You're going to notice that his stand does have the factory racing team logos on it. Kind of a nice touch. I'll go ahead and set that right here. Now looking at the bike, we're going to have suspension, functioning suspension in the rear. The front wheel is going to turn, and the front wheel is going to spin. The front forks are fixed though. That's a feature that I wish New Ray Toys would build in, was I'd like to see the front forks move just a little bit. Again, looking at the finer details of this thing, you're going to notice that we have all of Honda's logos on here. We've got the HRC logos, we've got Dunlop, Yoshimura, we've got Fox, Dirt Star, Twin Air, KYB, Renthal, and DID. Again, looking at some of the details here, we've got the chain, the sprockets, we've got skid plate down there, we've got all the little motor finder details. We even have the actual raw weld that you see on the frame there on the bikes. No attention to detail was spared, not even the gray grips that this bike features. And the Renthal bar pad, can't forget that. Again, this is Ken Roczen's 94 factory Honda ride. This is the bike that you would see him competing in both Supercross and Motocross. Let's real quick give you a 360 degree of this beautiful bike as it comes out of the package. Again, this is a great toy for your kids or as a showpiece up on your mantle or your desk at work. And that's it, a quick rundown of the Ken Roczen CRF450R. If you liked what you saw today and you want to see more of this, take a look at the links below. The first link is going to be a link to the playlist of all of the New Ray toys in the power sports segment of the market. Below that, you're going to see a tour of the New Ray Toys facility here in Southern California. The breadth or scope of the New Ray Toys production is staggering, so please go take a look at that as you will probably be amazed yourself. Anyhow, if you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.